Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD, and in this video I'll show you how to set contrast in CASIO CLASSWIZ calculator. Okay, so let's get started. So from your calculator, just press shift, then menu. Okay, you will find this interface, then press this down button for 1, 2 and 3, and at number 4 you will find contrast. Okay, so from your calculator just press 4, and now you are seeing contrast. Okay, you can increase the darkness, and also you can decrease the darkness, and as well you can increase the lightness, and you can decrease the lightness of your display. Okay, so if you want to increase the darkness of your display, so you have to press this button. So I am pressing this button for 1, 2, 3, and you are seeing the difference. The display is being more darker. Okay, and if you want to increase the lightness, so just press this button. I am pressing this button for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and see the display is being lighter. Okay, so I need little bit darkness, so I am pressing this button for 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the display of calculator is being dark. Okay, so in this way you can set contrast at your CASIO CLASSWIZ calculator. Okay, so if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.